We have a little kitty cat here on set, and Dr. Rob to go along with it. You're talking about vaccines today.
Exactly. Everyone's getting ready to go back to school, and so we all need to get our kids updated on vaccines, and it's something that a lot of times cat owners might forget about, because these little kittens are so rambunctious and healthy acting and looking that a lot of times we forget they do need a series of vaccines as kittens. And usually that takes place before they're 16 weeks, to almost 20 weeks of age. And Louise here is just turning 16, so she had all of her vaccines up to date yesterday.
All right, don't jump.
Yes.
So what do these vaccines address or reduce the risk of?
Exactly. So the big one that we always talk about is rabies, because the #1 way to prevent rabies from getting into the human population is to vaccinate our pets, because they are the ones that are probably most likely to come in contact with an animal that does have rabies. So that's very important. And then there are definitely the major vaccines that we worry about with kittens is a rhinotracheitis, a calicivirus, and panleukopenia. And that's a 3-in-1 vaccine. And that's just vaccinating against kind of the young diseases that a lot of these cats will come in contact with.
Once they get to this initial 16 weeks, then when do they need to come back again?
That's going to vary a little bit from veterinarian to veterinarian, and I invite everyone to definitely communicate and discuss that with their veterinarian. We at our practice like to follow the American Association of Feline Practitioners guidelines, and so we do annual vaccines, but we use a very pure vaccine that doesn't have a lot of adjuvants and that type of thing in it. That can cause problems with cats as we vaccinate them. So again, visit with your veterinarian and make sure that you guys are both on the same page with that.
And she is up for adoption. I think we should consider adopting her here at Q2. Her,
Exactly.
her dark fur would blend in with the floor
Yes,
very
you wouldn't
well.
have to worry about her going home with you.
And her motor's running this morning.
It is.
Well, Dr. Rob, thank you so much for being here with us this morning. Anyone looking for a great vet or great advice, check out Big Sky Pet Center here in Billings. All right, well, we'll see you next time. Tell Monty we say hi.
I will.
All right, we'll be right back after this break.